This video covers the arpeggio for the chord A flat major in the key of A flat. It has 4 flats, so we're going around the circle of fifths, we're taking flats away. So if you're following this video follows the D flat major video because that has 5 flats. Now this has 4 flats. The notes in the chord, it's the one chord for the key. The notes in the chord, A flat, C, and E flat. Fingering wise, well, the thumbs, each hand is going to play the white key. So the here, and the left hand is here. So just make sure the thumbs are on the white keys, and then the index finger and ring finger are doing the others. Not third finger, index finger, or ring finger. Some finger, it's a finger. And we start on A flat. So you're going to use the finger, whatever it is that plays A flat. Well, in the right hand, that's 4th finger. So we're going to start here and then come up. Don't you start on 2nd? That's cheating. For this exercise, use 4th finger. When you run across this in music, you probably use 2nd finger because it's closer to it if you have that. But for this exercise, use 4th finger. In the left hand, 2nd finger uses it. So you just I want you to start with the tremolo exercise with just 1 note per beat, going up and down 1 octave. And all we're doing is alternate. It's the same tremolo exercise we use in all the others. Just make sure your metronome is set really slow, like 50 or less. It's here. Start on these notes, you alternate them. Accent on the beat and drop the wrist on the accent. We need to play with loose, comfortable wrists all the time. And when you do that, then do the arpeggio up 1 octave and up here. 1 note per beat. Drop the wrists on every note. Now for the intermediate level, we do the beginner stuff we just covered, plus we go 2 octaves. So it's on the tremolo exercise, we'll do it 2 notes per beat and go up and down 2 octaves here. Just accent on the beat and drop the wrist on the beat. So you're going to do it every other note on that. So it's here. So forth. Then do the regular arpeggio, 1 octave, 1 note per beat, then 2 octaves, 2 notes per beat. Here. Accent on the beat, drop the wrist on the accent. Close enough. Just all you're trying to do is get the feeling of playing this arpeggio under the fingers. That's what we're after. Keep it slow. Now for the advanced, we're going to do the beginner and intermediate level, 1 and 2 octaves. You may not need to do the tremolo exercise by now if you've been doing it before, and if you haven't been doing it before, probably shouldn't be doing the advanced, in my opinion. But for the advanced, we're going to do the 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves like we've done all the other arpeggios, 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes per beat. Parallel and contrary motion, the whole 9 yards. You can start down, the middle C's here, go down an octave, over an octave, you're down here to start. Two notes, 3 notes, 4 notes. The contrary of the whole bit. Then do the inversions. First inversion is the white key, and this is where you can go ahead and use the little finger now as your starting finger or turnaround finger because we're in this position. So you just do that. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves, 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes per beat. Then second inversion, you're starting here. Ring finger, index finger. And it's the same pattern. the same pattern on a whole bit.